Guys, so we all know that the animal farm was actually stopped and now the vault was being migrated. When you come here to the animal.farm, you can see that vault migration under everything is being moved from the V1 to V2, so it will be happening very soon. What has been working is actually the drip garden. There's some major updates that have just been posted that the animal farm will be launching very soon, and I want to take you to the Forex Shark recent update that the animal farm will actually be launching very soon. So if you are already in the animal farm, you already have your tokens that were submitted to the credit contract, be ready and know that the animal farm will be launching very soon. So get ready to receive those pigs v2 so that you can continue earning money in the animal farm. So currently, if you want to make passive money, still the drip garden is still working, and also the drip faucet. Here's the big news announcement from Forex Shark. We are ready. 100% of the work is completed, and our official launch date is Thursday. That is April 21st. He goes on and says, first I would like to say thank you to the best community in crypto for remaining patient as we prepared for domination. Most of the time was spent on internal changes, such as hiring a new developer specifically for quality control. We also waited until 100% of the work was done before setting the date. This way there is no need for last minute decisions. As far as development changes in Piggy Bank, we have done what everyone was hoping for and came up with a mechanism that allows users to buy partial piglets, which means even the smallest users can compound daily and benefit from lock-up bonuses. So remember, when the piggy bank went live, you could not actually buy partial. The least amount that you could buy was one whole piglet. That one was a lot of money, so sometimes it went up to $60. The least amount that it went to was actually around $30, but it did go up to $70, $60. So that was really putting away the small investors. So they've managed to put the piggy bank so that you can actually buy partial piglets. So it's a greater improvement from this dev team. I will be doing an AMA tomorrow at 12 noon EST in Animal Farm Telegram group, where I will discuss everything you will need to know about the changes we have taken place and how you can benefit from the launch on Thursday. So there will be an AMA tomorrow, that's 12 noon EST. I will also be discussing 3 major events coming on the roadmap, including some of the things that will be coming are R34P DAO seed raise for a major third-party project that was just secured. Drip innovation will include a new high-end user interface, team competitions, and maybe even something truly mammoth. There will also be an amazing new protocol I've been working on which several partners, including Chainlink, which will change the game and bring huge cash flow into our current platform. So there's some major partnerships that are going on. Remember, we had also the Chainlink partnership in place. Thanks the team and for their patience. So you can follow them in the Twitter account. Get ready, guys, to continue earning with the animal farm, the piglets, the piggy bank. Remember, this is some huge earnings. The piggy bank is crazy if you compare it with the drip garden, and also if you compare it with the drip faucet, it's crazy earnings. So just get ready. The great thing that has happened, that there's partial buying of the piglets. It's really great, putting small investor in a place that they can actually participate in this community. So that's it about the updates. I just wanted to bring it to attention so that you get ready with your money so that you can jump in when we finally go live on the animal farm. So if you like to make passive income, this is the channel to be. Just hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on, also like our videos. You can share to other people who would like to make some passive income. Peace, guys.
Subscribe.